Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial about speech-to-text inside of Frame, how to use it, and yeah, let's just dive in, not much more to it. So to turn this on, you need to be logged in to Frame. You open the sidebar with the button at the top right, and you'll see a drop-down for chat settings. Now there are a few very cool things in here. We're just going to talk about one or two of them in this video, but you'll see a toggle for speech-to-text. Now, if you'd like to make it a little bit more accurate, if you're able to find your language here in this voice input dropdown, that helps the speech-to-text be a little bit more accurate. So I'm going to select English US because I'm here in California, and I'm going to go ahead and turn speech-to-text on. Hello everyone, I hope this tutorial is helpful. Okay, and as you can see, I got my message and the transcription was perfect, and it lets you know that it's from speech, but here it is. Hello everyone, I hope this tutorial is helpful. It just will automatically send your speech over to the text chat when it detects that you've sort of finished a sentence or a phrase. Now, if you don't want your speech to text to auto send to everyone, you can turn off auto send, and then your transcription, the text of your speech will just show up here in the text chat and you can review it before you send it. Let's look at that really fast. I'm going to turn off auto send texts. Okay, and there you see the message just shows up here in the text chat without actually sending, and I can choose to review it and send it if I want or not. Okay, that is basically it. Combined with another feature that I'll talk about in another video, of course this is really powerful. People can choose to translate their text chat into whatever language they want. So in theory, you can be talking, you can turn on speech to text, and then people in the audience can have your words translated into the language of their choosing in the text chat. Very powerful little combination there. Okay, but I'm going to get into the text chat translation in another video. Good luck with speech to text.